Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move a study in DCM4CHEE to another patient. So let's assume there was a mistake during the time when the exam was taken, and perhaps the user selected the incorrect patient from the modality worklist or manually entered the incorrect patient. So we have here the patient John Anderson and James Anderson. So the study this XA modality study went to John Anderson when it was supposed to go to James Anderson. So in this patient's view, we can see the patient James Anderson, even though it doesn't have any studies currently. So this angiographic study here on John Anderson, we can view it here, but we want to move the whole study to James Anderson. So I'll show you how to do that. So under actions for selections, we first select toggle checkboxes, and now we can select the study. So we check the box here, and then the scissors is mark selected studies slash series or instances for move. Let's select that, and now here on the right hand side we can see the study which is selected, and now we need to mark the target patient, which is James Anderson. So we select it here, and after that we can press on start the process of copying, moving, linking or merging, and it recognizes this is a move since we selected the source study and we selected a different patient as the target. And when we are moving a study, it will actually also reject the study on the source patient. So we can say incorrect modality worklist entry, and we can see confirmation that the selected target patient is James Anderson, and it's saying an empty study will be automatically created so it can be used as the target study. So what this is doing, it will create a new study instance ID, because it cannot use old study instance ID, because that old study instance ID will remain the source patient, but it will be rejected with a rejection note, and will have this incorrect modality worklist entry as the rejection reason. Now let's hit move, and we can see one move was successfully done. And if we press on submit again, we can see that James Anderson has now one study, and it indeed is the angiographic study which we selected from the source. And John Anderson still has two studies, but the below one is of type KO, so that just has the rejection note remaining. And if you want to permanently delete it from the source patient, you can use the delete functionality, which is available in the studies menu. The more functions you have permanent. There's another video about that which I recorded previously. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have some questions or comments on next episodes, please do leave some comments in the community, which is linked down below. Thanks for watching.